chiếc vali.
My sister that day, she wanted to surprise me and make me happy. She left the house, but she never came back. My sister got kidnapped.
Câu chuyện của đại diện Ethiopia.
Salam, ጤና ይስጥልኝ. In Chao, Vietnam. Our chairwoman, Ms. Julia Molly, organizers, judges, beauty pageant queens, and everyone who's watching online. Good morning. I want to start by saying thank you. Thank you for creating this platform. Because of Miss World, the world is healing. We're not only here to be seen as a beauty queens, but we are here to see others. My name is Rutir Galam, and I'm representing my beautiful country, Ethiopia. How many of you know that Ethiopia is in the year of 2018? All right. Yeah, because we have our own calendar system. We are the cradle of humankind, 30 months of sunshine, the birthplace of coffee, and a breathtaking landscape. But behind my flag, let me tell you what brought me here, my strengths behind it. My story began with a loss. I lost my mother when I was 1. My father sacrificed his whole life to raise us and give us the better future. While he was not around, I used to abuse, and my sister used to go through illness. We didn't say a thing because of a fear losing him like my mom and us being left alone. While growing up, even though my sister is 5 years older than me, I was forced to protect her, but I would love it. My sister went back 5 years behind and sat in a chair with me in a class. She used to be bullied of her age. She used to be bullied. Her age gap, her skin, and her weight. She didn't choose any of it. Thank you. I protected my sister for 8 years in one class. But one day, before coming here, I'm really sorry. Before coming here, while I'm preparing for Miss World journey, I was so excited because it's something I've been waiting for my whole life. My sister got a call. She was told that they wanted to surprise me. And she had a design called Lulusu Clothing Brand. The earring that I'm wearing is one of her pieces. My sister that day, she wanted to surprise me and make me happy. She left the house, but she never came back. My sister got kidnapped. But after that, kidnappers started asking for money and tried to make me lose whatever I built in my life. 9 days of fear, prayers. Just a week before coming here for Miss World in Vietnam, I got the baddest news in my life. The sister I carried for years, she got killed by my best friend of 10 years. I'm sorry. My sister got killed by my best friend of 10 years that I believed with her partner. That's the sister I carried for my entire life. Even though she's my biggest sister, I carried her like a baby. That time, I felt like I failed. I got betrayed. Not only that part, they killed me a lot of times. I thought the seizure killed her because she had an epilepsy. But that day, my sister was found in a suitcase, not in one, but in two, just before a week coming here. People told me, be strong. I know what I lost. I know why I'm here. I'm here not because I'm a cold-hearted person. I'm here because I have a responsibility. I'm here because of my father, my sister prayer. I am here because of the responsibility the government Ethiopian gave me. I am here because I made a promise. I made a promise for a woman and children that I will advocate for them and cheer for them. I cannot break that. So I packed my bags because I chose to leave and change my pain to a purpose. Through my project, The Silent Struggle with Women Empowerment and Youth Development, I did a tour in my country so that I can help children that get abused. Parents, children don't only need food, water, they also need the mental health. That matters a lot. The children we protect today are the generation that will lead our world tomorrow. And with women empowerment, I'm helping women with fistula, with Dr. Catherine Hamblin Fistula Center in Ethiopia. Imagine a woman giving birth, but she's left of...
Hello, my name is Lutia Galam, and I'm very happy and honored to represent my beautiful country, Ethiopia. I am a marketer, a model, and a coffee cupper, promoting Ethiopia as the birthplace of coffee to the world. For the past 6 years, I have walked different pageantry journey and one belief, and that is never quit. And it taught me the power of believing in yourself, even when the world is not ready to believe in you. This journey is not just a hobby, but also a responsibility that I feel I was called to pursue it. And that's why I am known as the face of hope. Losing my mom at a very young age, me and my sister has gone through a lot. And growing up as a woman, I have faced a lot of challenges. And that's why I come up with my project called The Silent Struggle, which focuses on women empowerment and youth development.